Want a warm steering wheel in your RAV4 2025? Locate the Warm Wheel button. It's either a physical button near the climate controls on the dashboard or an icon on the infotainment touchscreen. Press it to activate the heated steering wheel. The location of the Warm Wheel button varies in the Toyota RAV4 2025. Some models feature a touchscreen icon showing a steering wheel with heat waves, while others have a physical button. Both are located near the climate controls on the dashboard. To activate the heated steering wheel, press the Warm Wheel button on the touchscreen. You may have options for low, high, or auto heat levels. Cycle through these by pressing the button repeatedly. The system activates for 30 minutes to 3 hours, depending on your settings. The heated steering wheel will automatically turn off after a set time, usually 30 minutes to 3 hours. You can also manually deactivate it by pressing the Warm Wheel button again. The heated steering wheel feature is available based on your RAV4's trim level. It's standard on Adventure, Hybrid, and Prime trims, but typically not included on base models. Some RAV4 2025 models allow remote activation of the heated steering wheel via Toyota's Connected Services app. Ensure you have the latest app version 1.2.0 or later and a valid subscription. The Connected Services app provides access to remote features. You can control the heated steering wheel directly from your smartphone. If the heated steering wheel isn't working, start by ensuring the vehicle is running, as it requires electrical power to function. Next, check the fuse for the heating system in the fuse box under the dashboard. If the problem continues, consult your Toyota dealership for professional assistance. Also, check for software updates through the Toyota Connected Services app, as recent updates have improved the feature's reliability. The heated steering wheel often works in conjunction with the seat heaters for a more uniform cabin warmth experience. Consider using both for optimal comfort in cold weather.